In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install TikTok app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up App Store. If you cannot find App Store icon on your home screens, then just swipe down to bring up search, and that's where we can easily search for the App Store in that way. Once you open App Store, then go to search, and here at the search box enter TikTok. You can just enter Tik and then tap at TikTok right here. After that, you will be taken to that page where you can easily find TikTok. First off, get into this App Store page, and then right here we can see the open button because the app is already installed on my iPhone. But if you don't have it installed, it will say get, or instead of a button here you will see a cloud icon. Just click at a button or at cloud icon to install the app, and when the installation is complete you will be able to open the app by clicking right here, and also it will put TikTok app icon on your home screen, so then you will be able to launch it by tapping at the app icon from your home screen. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.